In previous video, we have introduced how to adjust our riding posture by adjusting the angles of important joints in our bodies. However, the comfort riding posture is not only related to our physical characteristics, but also to the size of back components. Only consider two parts: a comfortable and safe riding posture can be adjusted. In this video, let's learn the relationship between the size of back parts and riding posture. First, say parameters. 1. Saddle height. The height of the saddle mainly affects power output, knee joint angle, and ankle joint angle. So a suitable saddle height can not only improve our pedaling efficiency, but also ensure our safety. In addition to adjusting the angle of the knee and ankle joints to adjust the saddle height, you can also use the heel to pedal method. When the pedals are at the lowest position, adjust the saddle to the position where your heels just touch the pedals. 2. Rearward movement. After determining the saddle height, the appropriate rearward movement can improve pedaling efficiency, avoid unnecessary injuries, and help the rider keep balance. The Cox method knee over pedal spindle can be used in static measurement, which adjusting the saddle to ensure the knee is directly above the axis of the pedal. However, riding is a dynamic process. The static adjustment method can be used as a reference, but it is not perfectly suitable for everyone. If you want to achieve customized results, you can adjust it through the rattle system at a professional bike shop. Second, handlebar parameters. 1. Handlebar width. The width of the handlebars will affect the stress on the forearms, elbows, and triceps. Keeping the riding posture, make sure the outside of the shoulders and the thumb or index finger in the same width. The handlebar width should be the same as that of the shoulders. 2. Drop and reach. The drop and reach of the handlebars will strongly affect riding comfort. Riders with long arms can choose the handlebars with a large drop and long reach, which will help reduce air resistance. In contrast, riders with shorter arms can choose a handlebar with a small drop and short reach to avoid making our riding posture too aggressive. Third, frame size. The following method can be referred to choose the appropriate frame. 1. Consult the manufacturer. Use Raymond's formula to measure the hip height, then multiply by 0.833 to get the saddle height. Provide the data to the shop staff and let them help you choose the right frame. 2. Query the relationship between body height and different frame tube length. 3. Collect data from the body and use network testing software for statistical analysis. 4. Conduct the data analysis through bike fit. This method is the most accurate but expensive. 4. Stem length. If the frame size is correct, the stem length is generally 10 cm to 12 cm. If it's too long or too short, our weight will be unevenly distributed, which is not conducive to maintaining balance. It will affect the bike's controllability. If the stem is too long, the handling performance will be slow. In contrast, it will be sensitive if the stem is too short. If the reach is within 10 cm or beyond 14 cm, this indicates that our frame size is not suitable. 5th, cleat position. A good cleat position benefits to improve the power output. At the 3 o'clock position, align the ball of the metatarsal bone with the center line of the pedal axis, then set the cleat. In conclusion, when we adjust the bike size, we can combine it with adjusting the joint angles in our previous video to achieve a relative balance between the person and the bike. Don't hesitate. Leave a message. We are looking forward to communicating with you.